Well, partner, the West ain't big enough for both of them. One's a fluffy little loaf that stares into your soul at 3 in the morning. The other's a loyal, tail-wagging sheriff of your heart. Today, it's cats versus dogs, and we're gonna find out which critter truly earns the title of best pet in the wild, wild house. But before you go swearing allegiance to Team Meow or Team Woof, you might want to stick around, because the truth might just surprise you. Now, out here in the Wild West of pet ownership, every critter's got a personality. Some are loyal deputies, others are unpredictable outlaws. Dogs? They're like that overly friendly neighbor who always waves, even if you're not sure you waved first. They'll greet you like you've returned from a 10-year cattle drive, even if you just went to fetch the mail. Cats? They're that mysterious stranger in a long coat. You're never quite sure if they're here to help you or rob the bank. Basically, if you want a roommate who throws you a welcome home parade, get a dog. If you want a roommate who judges your life choices silently, get a cat. Now, when it comes to taking care of these four-legged varmints, there's a world of difference. Dogs, they need walking. Rain, snow, or the end times, they don't care. You see a leash, they see destiny. Cats, their idea of exercise is running across the house at 3 in the morning, for reasons only the wind knows. With dogs, you clean up outside. With cats, you clean up inside. The difference? One smells like grass, the other smells like not grass. Dogs eat like they're bulking for a rodeo. Big ones? They'll eat you into the poorhouse. Cats? They eat less, unless it's treats. Then suddenly they've got the appetite of a ranch hand after a cattle drive. Vet bills? About the same. Unless your dog swallows a sock, a toy, or your wallet. Dogs. They love you like the sun won't rise tomorrow. They'd follow you into a shootout if they could. Cats? Their love's quieter. When they curl up next to you, it's not 'cause they have to, it's 'cause they chose to, and that's rarer than gold dust. Dogs bark at squirrels, at the wind, at suspicious-looking clouds. Cats? They'll shred your furniture like it owes them money. If you want loyalty, adventure, and a sidekick for the trail, get a dog. If you want independence, low maintenance, and a living throw pillow, get a cat. Or you could get both. That way, you've got the best of both worlds, unconditional love and a healthy dose of judgment. So there you have it, 2 legends of the wild, wild house. Now tell me in the comments, are you Team Meow, Team Woof, or Team Why Not Both? And remember, in the Wild West of pet ownership, it ain't about who's the sheriff, it's about who steals your heart. Subscribe to our channel for more dogs and cats or anything in between video trivia.